In this video, I'll guide you through how to switch to demo mode on Trading 212. Whether you're new to trading or just want to test out strategies without any financial risk, demo mode is a fantastic feature to explore. It allows you to trade with virtual funds, giving you the freedom to learn and experiment without the pressure of real-world consequences. So, let's dive into the steps. First, you'll need to open the Trading 212 app on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to do so from your App Store. Once the app is open, you're going to want to locate the menu icon. This is found at the bottom right corner of your screen and looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and tap on it. After you've opened the menu, scroll down until you reach the bottom of the list. Here, you'll find an option labeled Switch to Practice. This is what allows you to transition from a real account to a demo account. Tap on Switch to Practice, and you'll be prompted to choose the type of demo account you'd like to use. Trading 212 offers different types of demo accounts, such as Invest or CFD. Invest is more suited for those interested in long-term investments, while CFD, or Contract for Difference, is tailored for those looking to trade on price movements without owning the physical asset. Decide which type best suits your needs and select it. Once you've made your choice, your account will switch to practice mode. This means you're now able to trade using virtual funds instead of real money. It's a great way to get familiar with the platform and improve your trading skills. Plus, it gives you the opportunity to test out new strategies without any risk, which is perfect for honing your skills before diving into real trading. And there you have it. That's how you switch to demo mode on Trading 212. Remember, practice makes perfect, and using demo mode is an excellent way to build confidence and refine your trading techniques. Feel free to spend as much time as you need exploring and experimenting in this risk-free environment. When you're ready, you can always switch back to real trading with a better understanding of the market. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started on your trading journey with Trading 212. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tutorials and tips. Happy trading!